I want you to picture your ideal superstar employee, working hard day by day, giving you results day in and day out. Now, what if I told you that you already have one, but you might be underutilizing them? Just watch this video to find out more. Hi, this is Julian Yong from the Next Level Academy, and I want you to meet your superstar employee, your content.
Another viral video! Oh my god, father and mother, I stuck so loud!
The silent worker that's present 24/7, echoing your brand's messages, values, and offers. And in this digital age, content isn't just words on visuals or pages on a screen. It's an asset, a strategic player converting casual browsers into dedicated buyers even when you're off the clock. But are you really harnessing its fullest potential? Is your content merely existing, or is it performing, engaging, and most importantly, converting? Join us at our upcoming Next Level Creators Masterclass, and where we will be revealing the secrets behind transforming your content into your company's top performing employees using our compounding creators framework. And this exact framework has generated us more than $30 million in revenue for our business for the past 3 years. It is your turn to let your content take center stage as your superstar employee, working relentlessly to scale your business to greater heights. So if you are interested to join in, click the link anywhere around this video, and we will be sharing with you more details about this powerful framework at the Masterclass. I'll see you there.